Grab some bananas, folks. We're making an amazing banana pudding. Oh, thank you very much. That was my sister. She just gave me her recipe for banana pudding. But I'm gonna change it up. I'm gonna use one of my favorite cookies, Lotus Biscoff cookies. This is gonna be great. These Lotus Biscoff cookies are so great. They originated in 1932. That was 90 years ago, and it started in a very small town in Belgium. I think it's called Limburg. Line the bottom of a dish with those cookies. That looks so pretty. Now we need to slice 6 bananas on the top. I need a bowl and some vanilla pudding mix. Add 2 cups of cold milk and whisk it for 1 minute to get it thick. In another bowl, I need softened cream cheese, a can of condensed milk. Add and beat together. We need 12 ounces of whipped topping folded in. Mix the pudding mix in as well. Stir it well and pour it on top of those bananas. Then we're just going to cover it with another pack of these Lotus Biscoff biscuits. Biscoff was started by the Boom brothers. They came up with the name Lotus based on the flower that symbolizes purity. And they came up with the name Biscoff because this cookie goes so great with coffee. Coffee. Biscuit, coffee. Clever! I'm so happy I had a few extra biscuits. Now refrigerate it at least 4 hours or even overnight. Yum, yum, it's done. Biscoff Banana Pudding. Whoa. That's great. It's like a caramelized banana. What do you call a monkey with a banana in each ear? Anything you want, it can't hear ya.